Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'm going to show you a short video on this low mileage Honda Forza 300. Here we have a Honda NSS300 Forza. This is a 2014 bike on a 63 plate with just 2,444 miles. 3 owners from new and a good service history on mileage. In fact, we've just serviced this one and replaced the front fork seal, so she is ready to go. Forza badge on the back there. All the paintwork on this bike is in excellent condition. There's not a mark on it in terms of paintwork. I'll just show you all around it there. The 300, perfect commuter bike, really comfy. Obviously you've got that feet forward riding position, gives you super comfort, massive comfy seat, and of course the under seat storage, which I'll show you in a second. All the running boards in good order as well. As I said, all the paintwork really good on this bike. The scooter actually benefits from a top box as well, a jivvy top box there, just giving you that extra storage. Tyres on this one. Loads of life left in the rear tyre. The exhaust, no marks on the heat shield or the exhaust itself there. Just a tiny bit there, as you can see on the mild steel section of the actual exhaust there, but really doesn't detract from the bike, and it is to be expected on a bike of this age that gets used in all weathers really. Again, front disc, just a speckling there and a tiny amount of stone chips there on the front forks. The front tyre, plenty of life left in that one there. Got the combined anti-lock brakes on this one as well, which is obviously fantastic from a safety point of view. And as I said, all the paintwork in excellent order. I'll just show you under the seat, just to show you get a significant amount of storage there. Easily get a crash helmet in there, jacket, week's worth of shopping, you name it, it will fit in there, especially with the top box as well. And that's operated from the switch on the dash. No complicated keys going one way, keys going the other to get the boot open. Absolutely thought of everything on this one. So a really good practical scooter if you want something to get to work on. Nice and economical, cheap to insure, and just a great looking super low mileage scooter. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our machines come with a current MOT, the service if required by the bike at the time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this 300 Forza, then please do get in touch either on the telephone or via the website. We'll be delighted to take your inquiry. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.